Hey guys, what is happening? We're back. This tutorial is going to cover the Jotform. As you guys notice, we're here on the team site, and you'll notice below where it says Craigslist add step number 4. If you guys hear that dog in the background, I do apologize. I'm in my new house, and I have a dog that's just incredibly annoying. Anyhow. So the way you're going to access this, if you guys notice what I have put here, it's not the best. This is a temporary team training site. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this button right here. It's going to bring you over to the application. So in order to use this application in your business, what you're going to do is you're going to come up here. You're going to highlight this. Okay, you're going to copy it. You're going to make a new tab, paste it. Hit enter, okay, and now you're going to go back because how I have that submit button when you're here at the team page, when you click this, if you guys noticed, it does not open up a new window. All it does is just change the URL in the existing page. So if this video is going too fast for you guys, rewind it, watch it again and again.
Hey guys, welcome and congratulations
I do apologize. Sorry about that. So anyways, what you're going to do, like I said, click the button. You'll copy and paste. You'll come here. Now, once you're here to the application, once you're here, you're going to highlight all this, move it back. This right here brings you to the main page. You're probably going to end up having to make a new account. You just use whatever username that you're using. But you're going to have a place where it says right here, it says create form. Okay. Once you click create form, you're going to come here where it says import form from web page. Okay. You are going to paste. Remember what I told you up here. From here, you duplicated it. It went here. You erased those numbers, but you still have it copied and saved. So when you paste, all you do, right click and paste, it's going to set it right here. When you hit continue, it's going to pull. You'll see here in a second, my computer's running a little slow. I've got a lot of things running. Boom. So it brings the page up, your application here, the digital application. And I don't want you guys to modify it. Well, I take that back. Do as you please. This is just an example as to what you can do. This is a live application. This works great for Craigslist. This is where I'm using this right now. Last night I posted in 4 different cities within a state away, and I got 10 leads, so it worked great. So this right here is if you're building a form, you don't have to worry about that. I highly do recommend, if you're using a MacBook or whatever, save this to favorites. Okay, you want to be able to access this very quickly. Okay. If you guys see, I have saved it, but I'm not going to get into all that. Anyway, so here it is. You're going to go to settings. Okay. So right now, let me go back so you guys understand everything. So right now, the way this works is if you put in your information and you submit this, all right. I'm going to do this just for the heck of it, just so you guys can understand. Well, you can't. So you're going to hit preview form. It'll roll over. It'll make it live. I'm going to do this just so you guys can see. So what is this designed to do is most people who are looking for stuff on the internet are looking to make money, right? So it's all about it's not what you say, it's how you say it in the application. So fill this out just a little bit of information here. You're going to hit submit application. Whoops. Hit submit application. When you hit submit application, disregard everything I just said. I have to do it all over again, but that's the joy of running a business. I'm nothing special, guys. Just so you guys know, I've just made this very clear that this is what I'm doing. So, anyways, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to make $500 a day online, guys. You just have to apply yourself and you have to learn new things. So, one of the reasons why I'm teaching it is because I just learned how to do this the other day, and now I'm teaching it to you guys. So see what happens? You click that, boom! Look what it does. It brings you right back to my landing page. How freaking awesome is that? So what happens is, so here's the application, because these are the type of people we're looking for, or if you know other internet marketers, people who are other internet marketers that do this, really, they excel and they do really well. So this is what's exciting about this, because this call to action button, when you click on it, after they submit it, boom, it rolls to the landing page. And then guess what happens? They put in the information here. Okay, boom, show me the video. And then guess what? Mine looks a little bit different, guys. In the future, I will be showing you the little bit more advanced stuff, but for right now, we're working on this. So we're taking that off. So now that you understand, this is why this is so vitally important. Because what happens is this. When they fill out this application, guess what they're doing? They're still giving us our email address. Okay? When they submit this form, whether they go into the sales funnel and go into the landing page and give us our email, I'm going to show you how to integrate this. Okay? So this is why this is very vital. We're still getting leads here. So what you're going to do is to put your call to action button right here. You're going to go up to settings. You're going to go down to your thank you page. Okay? And see, mine is right here. Redirect to external link. You want to make, if this is over here, make sure you click this button here. And you're going to be putting in your link. Okay? So I'm going to go back just to show you how simple this is, guys. We're back in the DIM system. If you guys notice what I have up here, my shortcuts, all the shortcuts that you're going to be using the most, do like I'm doing. This is why I do this, to make everything much more streamlined and much faster. Okay, so go to links. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is putting in your own landing page. Okay, this right here is for the regular VSL, which is this right here. And this one right here is for the countdown timer. You can choose whatever you want to. I use this. I don't go. I would never. Well, I wouldn't say never. You split test it. You come up with your own ideas. Test. That's the name of the game. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this. Okay. You're going to go back up to the form. You're going to paste it right here. Okay. I'm not changing mine because mine's a little bit more advanced. We'll get into that, and I'm going to show you guys all that are coming into this how to do this once you guys start making money, how to build out your own landing pages. So, yep, it's simple as that. Then you're going to scroll down, and you'll hit save. All right, and then up here it'll say automatically save. And then what you want to do is you want to test it. You want to make sure that it's working before you start using it, okay? So you're going to go preview form. It'll save it. You click that little arrow, it opens up a new link. What you're going to do is you're going to enter in your own information, whatever your name is, your last name, your own phone number. Seriously, guys. So enter in your own information and hit the submit button. Test it. You want to test it. Okay, when you submit this application, it should roll over to your landing page. If it doesn't, go back through this video and watch this again. And it's very simple, okay? So now what you're going to do, now that you have your form done, is you're going to click here. This is the URL that you're going to be using. Copy it. Whatever information that you guys have here, whatever you guys use. If you guys have Notepad, if you have Notebook, whatever you do, make another tab. Label it Jotform. And then put, application. And, make it simple. My computer's been messing up with the software I'm running. It'll probably, there it goes. So save it. So whenever you got to run an ad, all you got to do is come back to it, copy it, and then you'll paste it. So this wraps up the Jotform tutorial. I hope you guys gained a lot of value. This has been incredible. You can mess around with it a little bit. I'm probably at some point, I'm probably going to try to implement it in Facebook ads. But for right now, just use this on Craigslist. And what I was going to say, actually, disregard what I was going to say. I do apologize, guys. But yeah, just utilize this, what I just said. This is going to be your link. And when people click on it to fill out the application, they're going to submit this. And once they submit this, you know, when you go to set everything up inside this system, inside Jotform, when you're creating your username and everything, put your email that you use the most, whether it's Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, whatever it might be. So what's going to happen is when they submit this form, if they don't hit the landing page, what's going to happen is that email that they used on this form right here is going to go to your email address, whatever email address you use. You're going to get a notification. Hey, so-and-so fill that application. And you're literally, just as an example, please don't spam my email, guys, as I teach you how to be very effective internet marketers. So I trust that you won't. So I'm going to pull up my email. And I'm going to show you guys something. I'm going to show you something very, very vital. So right here, boom. See what happened? Remember I told you that we were just doing a mock application. So this is what happens. When you're running an ad on Craigslist or wherever you decide to use this form, be creative, it's going to have all this information here. And they're going to actually answer out questions and stuff. So this is going to be their email address. All right. And their phone number. As you get more advanced with MCA and all the roadside benefits, call them. If you don't want to call them, if you noticed that email showed up here and you're getting a notification here, what you're going to do is you're going to go, let me go back. Oops. What you're going to do is you're going to go back to your landing page, right? Make this easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your landing page, copy this email. If you don't want to call them and you're not confident with talking to them about MCA benefits, the roadside assistance, $150,000 benefits that they're going to get in unlimited roadside assistance, if you're not confident picking up a phone and calling them and sending them to your checkout link, then copy this email address, okay? Put it in here, okay? Hit submit. So what that's going to happen is that's going to go into the autoresponder and someone will have a chance to sell. So once again, guys, this I literally have created to help you guys. I learned this and it's working. 10 leads a day. Typically, out of 10 leads, you get one sale. So, the sky is the limit. Guys, be resourceful. I'm no better than any of you guys. The only difference is I apply myself. I've been doing this a little bit longer than you guys, and I've learned how to educate myself by reading and stealing people's information. I don't like to say steal, but learn from other people, implement what they're doing, and then use it in my own business and make it different. So, all right, guys, this wraps up this session. I hope you guys gain value, and I'm signing out.